Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to use AI to write emails in 2025. Now with the latest AI tools that are built into the apps like Gmail, Outlook and ChatGPT, you can write clear and professional emails. So for this video, I'm going to be using chatgpt.com, but you can also give the same prompts in Gemini or in any other AI that you use. So in 2025, most popular email platforms already have AI built in. For example, we have Gmail that has Help Me Write, Outlook has Copilot, and there are also the tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. So again, you can open any one of these. Over here in this section, you just have to start typing your prompt. So here, let's say this is the prompt that I want to give. Write an email to my manager explaining that I'll be working from home tomorrow. So you can also give the prompt of your email address and the AI will instantly create a draft based on your input. Now AI in 2025 can easily switch the tone. So you can choose the formal tone or casual, friendly or persuasive. This is useful if you are writing a business email or a quick reply to a friend or even a marketing campaign. Now AI is also powerful, but you should always double check what it has written. You need to make sure that the name, dates, numbers and other details that are used by AI in the email are correct. Small edits will make the email feel more professional and more accurate. So once you are happy with your draft, you need to copy it into your email application and then you need to simply send it. So you have got a polished email address in a fraction of a minute with the help of AI. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and also comment below if you have any questions in your mind. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.